Hi, my name is Heather Larkin. In my spare time, I do a lot of macro photography. And so I thought today I'd share my 5 favorite subjects that you can do in your own home studio. Best of all, you can do it in your jammies. My first choice is always feathers. I'm constantly picking them up all over my front yard, and they come in a huge range of colors and shapes and textures. Some are even iridescent and change color depending on the angle of the light. The details of each feather can easily be seen in macro photography, and even simply flipping over a feather or changing the angle that you're photographing it from can give you an entirely new composition. No elaborate staging necessary. My second choice is definitely flowers. They're easy to find. You can pick them up at the grocery store or a local cut flower grower, or even snip them out of your own front yard. The huge range of colors and textures can be seen in not only the entire flower, but sometimes individual petals can be inspirational for macro photography. Get in and look at the flower from every angle and find something fun. Third is rocks or crystals. You can get some extremely pretty gemstones online, but even the asphalt chipped up out of your driveway can look amazing with the right light and a macro lens. There's all sorts of detail that we miss by just not looking close enough. Crystals come in hundreds of different shapes and colors, which would lend uniqueness to any photo. Jewelry is my number 4. I don't have a ton of top tier jewelry myself, but the right lighting and a macro lens makes them all look like $1 million. This isn't the same as jewelry photography for the purposes of product selling, but I like a bunch of unique compositions and jewelry lets me do that. The shine can be challenging, but it makes everything look super glamorous. Food is my number 5. Sugar crystals on top of macaroons, the gills of a mushroom, even the flaky layers of a croissant can all look amazing when you get up close to them with a macro lens. I love that the colors are not always found in nature, which means that you can get something really unique, and even the ingredients themselves can be fun to photograph alone. And here's a bonus tip. A lot of subjects, including flowers and feathers, can look completely different if you spray water on them. Just a spritz of water can give you an entirely different subject. Or you can try deliberately placing droplets for maximum effect. Try it and see what you get. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. You can find me at fairyography.com or Fairyography on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks so much.